everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I just left from school and realized I have a flat tire. The tube is spoiled, so I have to take it and get it fixed or replaced. So now I'm going, I have to go all the way to Terenimin Katu from here. That's about 2.9 kilometers, and I have to walk with the bike because I can't ride it. So I have already informed the guy that I'll be coming, so let's go and see. I have finally reached, and it took me around 25 minutes, so it's quite long, but the weather is nice, so I didn't feel that tired. So I'll go, hopefully he's there now. I've reached, so I have to ring the bell. Hey! I'll show you what kind of cycles he has at the moment. These bikes we saw that day. Let's come to this side. So these are the ones that have already been fixed. This is what he has right now. So he's almost done now. गियर में भी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, तो ही विल चेक दैट आउट आल्सो. No. Got done with the bike. It's all fixed, and now I will go back to my house. So I had come to Tokmanni to get a mop. I'm looking for a mop because in Minimani the mops were a bit expensive and not too many options. So I'll look here because things are. This is the store. They have all these stuff. Directions. They also have these hangers. So from the mop, this is the mop section. This one looks like a good deal, so I'm getting this one for $10.95. It's adjustable, the height, and let's see what else they have. They have brooms, the big ones, for 24. Tissue papers, etc. I'll do a quick run through the store and show you what all they have. It's really sticky. The groceries. I'm coming from that side. You take a left, you'll get the groceries, etc. We have shoes, gumboots, etc. Luggage also. We have outdoor sports items, backpacks, camping gear, fishing gear. They have seats here. This is a nice seat. It's for 11 euros if you want to change your bike seat. In Beltema it was around 13 something, but it's cheaper over here. So for now I will just buy this and I will check out and go look for a mattress. I'm looking for a bed and a mattress right now, so I'll go to Kirpis to see if they have anything today. So I'll just check out quickly now. So I just got done with Tokmanni, that's the store, and I bought this. So now I will just go to K Market over here. It's quite big because I didn't find the things I was looking for at K Market in city center. So I'll just go and check if they have stuff like the K Cola and etc.